Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the world of complexion perfection with the Westmore Beauty Supreme Cream All Over Complexion Perfector. This multitasking skin tint promises everything from weightless coverage to long-lasting wear. Let's take a closer look to see how it performs. First, let's break down what the product promises. The Westmore Beauty Supreme Cream is marketed as a versatile product that combines a CC cream foundation with a self-tanner. The idea here is that you can use it on both your face and body. It's designed to replace several products in your beauty routine, serving as a primer, full coverage foundation, concealer, body makeup, and even a self-tanner. With ultra-fine pigments, this skin tint promises buildable coverage that feels lightweight, yet provides a flawless finish. It's also waterproof, transfer-resistant, and self-setting, making it a reliable long-wear product with a claimed wear time of up to 12 hours. Plus, it's packed with skin-loving ingredients like niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and arnica, all of which are aimed at improving the skin over time. As for the shades, they're adaptable, meaning you can either match your skin tone or go for a bronzed glow. Now, let's talk about the experience. Using the Westmore Beauty Supreme Cream is a breeze. The formula glides on smoothly, offering an easy-to-blend consistency that doesn't feel heavy or cakey. I used it on both my face and legs to test its versatility, and I was impressed by how well it covered imperfections and gave my skin a natural-looking finish. It also worked great to cover up tattoos, which is a big win for anyone looking for body makeup that doesn't rub off or transfer. In terms of wear, the product definitely lives up to its promise of being waterproof and transfer-resistant. After a full day, the finish still looked fresh, with no patchiness or smudging. The added skincare benefits were a nice touch as well. My skin didn't feel dried out or irritated, which can happen with some long wear formulas. Let's get into the pros and cons. The standout strengths of the Supreme Cream are its versatility and long-lasting wear. The fact that it can function as a primer, foundation, concealer, body makeup, and self-tanner in one product is impressive, especially for those looking to simplify their beauty routine. The coverage is buildable, and it blends effortlessly into the skin, giving a smooth, natural finish. Plus, it really does live up to its waterproof and transfer-resistant claims, no worrying about it rubbing off or fading throughout the day. On the flip side, the biggest downside I found was the shade range. While it is adaptable, it may not be ideal for everyone, especially for those with very deep skin tones. The product also has a slightly thicker consistency compared to other CC creams, so it may not be suitable for those who prefer a super light coverage. In terms of value for money, I'd say the Supreme Cream is on the pricier side. However, considering it can replace multiple products, foundation, self-tanner, and body makeup, this could be a great value for those looking for a multifunctional product. That being said, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, there are alternatives out there, though they might not offer the same level of performance when it comes to long-lasting wear and versatility. When comparing this to other similar products on the market, the Westmore Beauty Supreme Cream stands out with its multitasking capabilities. Other foundations or body makeup products might offer similar coverage, but few can claim to be as waterproof or transfer-resistant, especially when it comes to both face and body use. However, if you're strictly looking for a foundation with long wear properties, there are other brands at a lower price point that could meet your needs. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional, with a pump dispenser that makes application easy and mess-free. The formula is designed to be lightweight, but still offers enough coverage to hide imperfections without feeling like you're wearing a mask. It's easy to see why this product has become a go-to for many. Now, on to customer support. I didn't personally need to contact Westmore Beauty's customer service, but from what I've gathered, the brand is known for providing solid support if any issues arise. They have a good reputation for handling inquiries in a timely manner. To wrap things up, the Westmore Beauty Supreme Cream is a solid choice for anyone seeking a multi-purpose product that provides great coverage and long-lasting wear. It's perfect for those who want a reliable, waterproof formula for both their face and body, and the added skincare ingredients are a nice bonus. However, the shade range could be a deal breaker for some, so keep that in mind before purchasing. If you're looking for a versatile product that combines multiple steps into one, this could be worth the investment. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews like this. If you've tried the Westmore Beauty Supreme Cream, drop a comment and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep your beauty game strong with Beautyistic.